Where's the rest of it?
That's it.
So you got springs?
Mm-hmm.
Those are Andrews. Wimp. Must be a stock bike. You see those collars over there? Those aren't collars. Those are rocker arms. Those are rocker arms, not collars. Collars. Yes. Things that look round, go around your neck. Oh, don't scratch the poly. Is that clean? Get out of here. You're fired. We don't want that no more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, we got all those. See all this crap here? Mm-hmm. All we need is the keepers. 1, 2, I need 4 more. I'll mix them up. Can't count. You know I can't count more than 2 at a time. 2, 3, 4. There we go. Got all of them. Okay. All that junk, get out of here. You got a towel over there. Go put them on top of that towel. There's all junk. I don't need no junk around here. So no valves?
No.
When you count them as you go? Just put your hand right there. Slide them across. Slide across. There you go. Look at that. Jeez. Look at that. How many am I going to drop? Yeah, I got to get 3. That was hard, wasn't it? There. It's out of my way. Alright, we need some valves. You didn't buy no valves. Cheap. What color you want?
Green.
Green. I'm fresh out of green, but I got black. I'll grab 2 of them, each one was in the back. 1, 2, 3. Oh, damn, you did a good job. You got 2 of each. Damn, you're smart. Did you just luck out?
With so much luck going on right there.
So much luck. Yeah, I'm tired. Hold on to that. You know what you're doing. Okay, these have to go through the solvent to seal up the pores. And these can go back for you to go home.
Okay.
Polished. We're not doing anything with them. That's your job.
Bird.
I did my job. I cleaned them.
An amazing job you did.
Sure, the extra. All right. That's an 87. Tucker. Another Tucker. Another Tucker. This one appears to be used. It's open. That'd be an exhaust. Intake. Exhaust. Good job. The hell, that's a Sportster valve.
You already took it out of the package. You're going to have to buy it, Tatro. We ain't taking it back at this point.
So you tell us the Sportster valve?
Yeah. A little bit smaller, huh?
Right, smaller there.
Right here. Look.
Smaller here, yeah, high performance. Racing part for a big twin. That's why Sportster's rub's so nice, or lighter. Alright, this one goes in here. This one says Sportster on it someplace. It says right there, it says Sportster on it. So who's in charge of inventory around here? You are, you grabbed it. Didn't you read the damn package before you yanked it? Jeez, I can't sell it for new now. It's been fingers to me. I dropped it, didn't you? Racing shit. Sportster, which one? No, those are racing valves. Here's Sportster. Can you tell the difference and stuff? I don't know why you grabbed such a crappy one. This one feels fat and heavy. You grab the stem, you can tell it's fat. Big ass valve. We got a big fat valve. Get empty first now. More out of the pile. Perfect. Let's go racing. Racing fit. It won't stick at 8,000. See how Kibble purposely makes their valves small?
Yeah.
So you have to replace guides to use their valves. They're not stupid.
Yep.
Yep. So this was that tight valve guide you had.
Mm-hmm.
It's loose, but ain't too bad. Alright. So you can put these in there or put these back in?
Yeah, no.
Yes, no?
No, yes, no.
Yes, no, no, yes. That makes
no.
perfect sense to anybody.
Yes, no.
Okay. I got work to do now. Guess what that is?
That's a board.
It's a dresser drawer. That actually has a desk drawer. That was real wood.
It looks
That
vintage.
was real fake wood. Okay, we need to get these out of here. It's a brand new can. I haven't used it yet.
So special.
See how I blasted carbon off around the guide?
Mm-hmm.
Because when I beat the thing out of the hole, it won't tear up your hole too bad. This lubricates the stem a little bit so it doesn't tear it up too bad. See, it's got carbon up there. That's going to tear the guide up a little bit. It's okay. We don't care. It'll come out. That big twin. If you hit your hand, it hurts. And if you hit the head, it really makes me pissed off. That was tight.
Everything seems to be a little tight on this motor.
That's tight. It's real tight. I have to get a bigger hammer. Sucker's in there. Jeez, almost wants you to heat the head up.
Sounds like it's about there.
Got galled up and
Yeah.
stuck at the end.
Oh, yeah. Heck yeah.
As it got tighter, it came out. I think it was in there. Look at that big crack in there now. I don't see one. Yeah, those things are in there good. How about this one?
You should have had your Cheerios this morning, you know what I mean?
The Cheerios? Should put these things in the oven and cook them. This one's more normal. Whew. That one didn't stick, did it?
Mm-mm.
See, the exhausts like to stick. The intakes aren't as bad. You know why? The exhausts get baked in.
That glass bead give kind of a funny smell.
It might be you.
That's for sure.
Didn't even hit my hand yet. I don't look. Yeah, one didn't stick. Alright, so one stuck, the other one didn't. My Wheaties this morning. Jeez, I didn't wake up yet. Okay, what kind of guide you want?
The good ones.
Good ones.
How's it work? The good ones are soft?
Well, we got standard and then we got oversized. That one that was standard might take a 1 now. All the other ones are tight. Almost got that.
Break it, you buy it, Tatro.
I've already broken that once. You missed a spot. Jeez. Put you in charge of cleaning. Look
Go roadie.
at that. What'd you do to that thing? Justin. Yeah, it beads on my rag now. I got everything on this rag. That's the old one.
Oh, yeah.
Can't afford new ones like you.
Vintage.
Those new ones cost a lot of money. Oh,
Oh, great. Great.
was Walker in here?
Those beautiful rags. That's actually about right for you. Put that in your pocket.
Who yanked that out of there? Someone wasn't paying attention, were they? I think I'll put that under
It's
here.
got to be somebody I can
I'll
blame
put
that
that
on.
under there after it drains over.
I like it. I like it.
We'll
Sure, there's somebody we can blame
We'll
that on.
recycle it. When it hits bottom, quit beating on it. And you know, so this works out really nice. See how it sticks above the surface there?
Ooh. It's almost like somebody thought about that.
Yeah, maybe. Sure, he wasn't very smart. Just lucked out. Dropped on his foot twice. Oh, that didn't hurt as bad. Okay, that one's not standard.
It's a little bigger, huh?
Okay, it was loose by 1, we go at least 2. Maybe we're going up to a 4. Here you go, thought they were all standard. Nope. And that's not even the one that came out hard either. Okay, see if it's big enough. Might not be. What do you think? Run it?
Mm-hmm.
Good enough for your bike? See, that's why you have more than one side guide. You don't knurl them, you don't peen them, you don't Loctite them in. You beat them with a big hammer. So that was tighter?
Mm-hmm.
For you, no, we'll see. Might go bigger. So you didn't clean the beads out of his head yet. What size do you think this one is?
Standard.
That's the one that came out hard. So the one that came out okay was the one that screwed up. Now I need a standard for this. Alright. Take one of that here. These are old. Old packaging here. Probably screwed up. 1 standards. We're going to put 6 in this one. Because you're in Sweatville, USA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means it's going to get hot at some point. And these stupid ass valve collars do not hold the guide in. They sit around the guide, see?
Mm-hmm.
Well, actually, these ones kind of sit on there. Either way. We're going to make sure they go in there tight. That way when you get the head nice and hot, the guides will stay where they belong. A bit tighter, see? Alright, there you go. So what size were all those?
6 regular, a 1 and a regular, right? Standard, whatever. I believe.
2 standard, 1,
And
1, 6.
6.
We didn't use the 5. That was the 1. That's the part number right there. Do you remember the part number? It's right there. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. And somebody's got beads all over my assembly area.
Who would have done that?
Because you didn't clean the heads off before you brought them over here. You didn't clean anything off.
Yeah.
See, now we got this all over my workbench. Now we're going to have to get the virus team in here and disinfect my whole bench.
Looks like Tatro.
You want to taste that? Make sure that's bees.
What, line it up, or what are we doing? How long you plan on working tonight? This is a motorcycle shop, you know what I mean?
Sure. Alright. I gotta clean all this junk off.
Alright, goodbye.
Mess here.